Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something you're going to love. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending that morning smoothie, protein shake, or other blended beverage to go. The single-serve blender is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 13-ounce individual size jar means you can stop cleaning those large blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's light, simple, and easy to store and clean. The power cord wraps around the base for easy storage. It has stainless steel blades and a 175-watt motor that's powerful enough to make fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. It has one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button to blend. And best of all, the 13-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup, so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach is the most convenient way to make and take your smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.
Introducing the Gorilla Grip Silicone Spatula. Constructed from flexible, heat-resistant silicone. It helps you easily flip and move food. And won't scratch your non-stick cookware. Features a soft-touch, slip-resistant handle. Simply toss in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. We hope you love your new silicone spatula from Gorilla Grip.